and welcome back to another travel vlog! Oh my gosh guys, we're currently here at the Little Rock with my Riot Vlog Squad! So guys, wala pa rin ang uban. We're still waiting for Antoy and Nico and napatay di maabot guys, sila na lang diba?
Yeah, Antoy, Nico,
yes.
Donski!
And Donski. Later I will do a room tour and basta mag-explore kami diri. They have a very nice swimming pool and if you want to enjoy and relax lang Jude, so mano siya guys. Join me with this adventure and let's go! Alright, so as you all know guys, for every travel vlog, nandiyan tayo pa room tour. So let's go guys, let's do the room tour. So this is our room. Ta-da! So it has 3 king bed na, so it can fit up to 3, I think, kung mga gagmay lang Jude. So since we are 9 guys, so nandiri occupied diri kay 3, 3, and 3. So this is very good for barkada or your family. And then here you have a mini kitchen and there's a mini refrigerator, and if you want to put some goods there, and of course it's an air-conditioned room. And of course here, so this is the restroom. So muna siyang bowl, nice shower. Let's see. Oh, it's hot and cold shower. And there's some faucet. So mura na siya guys. Basically jud kayo siya. This is the studio room and ang iyang rate di ay kay 698 per person. If you want to book the Little Rock, you can book there, and I will also put the link in the description box of their Facebook page so that you can book, and also their contact number. So muna siya guys. Hi! Daisy!
Carly!
Pinasat ka po?
Cardboard, taga-cardboard.
Maraming cardon?
Medyo. Dalawa, card-card. Pinano pa tayo kasama? Uy! Nagasan ka? Harley.
Daisy po.
Maganda yung
Okay, sige. Drink ko lang dyan po.
Harley.
Ay! Where's the sun?
James!
Mura na mag-close na ngayon. Mura na close na tatanda.
Hi guys!
Oh!
James!
Daisy po, Daisy.
Harley. James. Hi, James Reed.
May kamukha pa.
Oh, James Reed. Wow! Hi! Ang ganda pala dito.
Ganda nga po.
Oo. First time.
Meron siyang bola-bola.
Ang saya. So tayo pa lang?
Yes po.
Piling ko na-ibig na yung iba.
Magkano na yung edad mo po?
Magkano?
Magkano mong edad mo po? Sabi po, hindi po kasi ako marunong mag-Tagalog. Taga-Bantayan Island po kasi
Taga Sambuanga.
Ano yung mga siya sa mga?
Chabacano.
Para pa sample po.
Porque contigo yo ya escogí.
Narinig ko na sa kanta.
Kanta yan.
Ay!
Saya, grabe.
Ang ganda, no?
Ang ganda dito. Ay, bagong house.
Oh, ay, sorry po. Ay, po. Thank you po.
James. Iyan.
Party.
From.
Taga-saan ka po?
Taga Cebu po, Sampagulo po. Iyan
Maraming
po.
sambag doon.
Oo, marami.
Yan sa ano?
Maraming sambag, oo.
Ano yung sambag?
Yung sambag, yung tamarin.
Di ba sambag yung ano kapag nasaktan ka kasi tinamaan ka?
Sumbag yun. Sumbag yun.
Suntok yun.
Sumbag yun sa Bisaya.
Sumbag pa na po sa kalisod kasi...
Hindi, kanina lang kayo.
Sabi sa amin ni Big Brother, kapag late mo kayo, may talent po.
Kaya mo ba?
Sayaw. Ginagawa mo.
Ano siya guys? This is our dinner. Ready na siya ng dinner, no? Thank you so much to Chef Brgy Cuisine for our lechon belly set. And by the way, nandito si Ma'am Adeth. Thank you so much, Ma'am, sa paghatod sa food dire. Traffic ba yan? Oo, grabe ka siya ka-traffic, no? Pero grabe kag-effort si Ma'am Adeth. Thank you so much.
Thank you for serving us.
Yes.
guys, the lechon belly guys. You know what guys, the lechon belly is lamig kayo. Sa taste pa lang nidaan. Lechon belly na jud kayo. So, salamat sa sponsor nga inyong gipadala.
Okay.
Magbalik-balik na jud.
From the Riot Vlog Squad, thank you so much!
Chef Brgy Cuisine! Hey days friends, so here's our food guys. This is from Chef Brgy Cuisine. So ang lechon belly set there guys is composed of one lechon belly na siya macaroni salad na ay vegetable bami, the vegetable lumpia, and there's some fried chicken and also some custard cake, and di pa kami nilag rice. So mo na siya. Thank you so much to Ma'am Ada sa pag-deliver diri sa among food. Okay, Jude. Tara guys, ang lifetime. Ganun lagi ko dere. Hello! So this is Martin Paradise. He's also a vlogger, a YouTuber. So
I like Cebu here, it's fantastic.
alright, these friends. So just done with our dinner, guys. So how?
Nabusog ako.
Ganun ka?
Sarap nung bami ng lechon belly at saka nakafocus talaga siya sa lechon belly at saka yung chicken. Grabe.
Really?
Sulit.
Like this.
Lamig kayo.
Hindi kayo.
Thank you so much, Sir Chef.
Sir Chef.
Oh,
Chef,
Chef
Road.
What's naman yung
Brgy.
pinakaganahan?
Pinakalamig kayo guys. Kay
Yung bami, no?
Kani.
Ito. Ito.
Ito guys, lamig kayo ilahang kani siya. Lamig kayo. Kani, lamig kayo. Samot ilahang bami. So don't forget to forget.
Ikaw, what's your favorite man?
Pinaka-favorite na ko kay lechon belly, tapos manok, tapos ang ilang macaroni salad, grabe, lami jud kayo, nakatulog ko kabalik sa ilang macaroni salad.
Ikaw. Sa'yo mong gikaon?
Macaroni, dahil
O sa'yo
custard.
na macaroni ka ng tamis?
Dili, dalawa. Nai-carrots.
Aslo-aslom na?
Oo, aslo-aslom.
Okay. Oh, si Sir Donsky, nakaroon na naabot kay late. Kaya nang inabuhi pa siya.
Nakalimutan pa. Yari dyan ko para di ma-black. Bito, ay mong kibutan na nga lami mantanan. Kay talawa ko, hurot. Show?
Nagbuhan sila.
Charlene DeLorean. Bugay kayo siya, no? Bugay kayo siya. Mahalas lang ngipon.
Hi.
Kuan, Vinyo. Na nagsubaybay ako sa vlog niya.
Nice no.
So, wala siya ka makasubaybay sa vlog first.
Guys, kanang libak me. Joke lang.
Guys, good job.
Si Med, among gilibak.
Med.
Hi, Sir Man.
Hi, Sir Med.
Shout out niyo si Med, be.
Shout out, Med!
Hi, Sir Medyo Boy.
Si Med ba?
Hi, Med.
Si driver naman. Job.
Anak ilang driver. Ay kalahi, ay kulay.
But I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now.
So guys, mag-lights off na mi sa gawas, sa galawas. Manamig pang limpyo and ato na lang mi sa sud magpadayon. Sakit yung tiyan si katawa. Hey days friends, so I'm about to end my day because it's already 2 a.m. guys, and si Harley ka natulog na tala. And si James kay nag-edit. And sila kay nagduwa pa. Nagduwa sila and si Ayan nag-tiktok pa. Si Jude natulog na. So yes guys, good night everyone. See you tomorrow.
The next morning.
Hello, good morning days friends. Day 2 here in Little Rock Cebu guys. So na ako sa gawas na kay natug pa man ang uban. So ang nadiri sa gawas kay na si Chasing James.
Hey guys.
And si Sir Donsky nag-exercise. Charot! Sana all nag-exercise.
balik ko sa room guys kay mag-ilis ko kay maligo ko sa swimming pool kay yesterday wala man ko kaligo. So yes, hangin siya ngayon. I think na low pressure area. So tomorrow the among flight padung sa Siargao. I hope na dili siya makansel. Kung makansel, oh my gosh.
Early morning, trying hard to get out of bed. She remembers all the crazy little things she said. Get a move on, gotta be one step ahead. On your feet now, wondering where the road had led. And it's one more minute, and you feel you're in it. Caught up in this thing that we call living. A lot of forgetting and
Hello! Hi! Good morning, guys!
Good morning!
So, maligo na to po.
Mag-position
Hey
na ta.
guys, nag-TikTok me guys. The behind the scenes.
We are the dancers, TikTokers of BYC and Riot Vlog Squad.
Right.
Abangan nyo yan, guys.
Hindi makita si Jay. Para
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Basta, Sir Jay.
Practice muna tayo.
Tapos ganyan gamay, mas cellphone din. Kaya. Hoy, mag-domino, tara na. Mag-Paris, diba?
Anong domino?
Nasa
Guys, kung mag-TikTok mo guys, kapila mo mag-take? Mga 3 million takes. Breakfast namin guys, I have egg, hot dog, and ham, and ang leftover last night, the bambi and the chumbeli. So nada sila ko under ang Little Rock guys. Ang ilang rate for kanang with breakfast na kay 849. Without breakfast kay 649 I think. For basta 150 ang difference. Or 150 ang difference ito.
A few moments later.
Inana ba?
Sige na.
Ate nga inana.
Hindi ako ba? So it's time to check out na guys kay it's already 12. I think I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. So that's all. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Daisy friends!